Takot. Takot.
Dad. Dad. Ma. Video. Na ako din. Na. Hugas din ako. Ako din.
Be careful, Daddy. Dad! Dad!
Naglinis siya.
Hello, I'm Alan. My dad is on the work. Here, on the work. I also in the corners. The corners Daddy is following. He has 2 buckets to hold. See that? He's holding on it. He's had boots to wash. So he will get out with feet. You know, the one corner is good at corners. Other than the corner, other than the real good corners. I saw here. The corner over here, you have to be really careful. Because when the cows will make a loud. You have to be able to walk. So Daddy's walking real fast. So you have to walk real fast. And hope if there was the screen, there was a screen. You have to go here. You have to go.